Baby.
Get there, Jack. Jack. Help him.
Baby.
Get with it.
Connie.
Go to side. Go to side. Let's go.
Mom. Here.
Attack, Eli, attack.
Oh. That's ours.
Red.
Somebody gotta take the ball in.
Get big, Eli. Go get big.
How much he reminds me of Bruno Mars.
Oh my heavens! Don't tell him that.
I swear he does. I did tell him that.
Go, Eli. There you go, D.
Go hard, Deontay. Use the backboard. Good job. Good hustle. Put it up, Eli.
Go strong.
Dish it out. Go to Eli. Go to Eli. Get him off of him. Yes. Good look.
Get in there.
Yeah. Oh, follow it. Follow it.
Let's go, Red. Let's go. Move your feet. Move your feet.
Oh yeah, dude.
Good job, Deontay. Move your feet.
Good job. No. Let it go. Let it go.
Get there.
Rebound, guys.
Red, we gotta go after those rebounds. Let's go. Get there,
Switch back. Switch back. Good job, Eli. Easy, D. You gotta go easy.
Get there.
Watch it. Come on.
You guys gotta talk. Eli, that's yours, dude. Come on. Going strong, Jack. Take it back.
Same team, go back.
Face.
Yes.
How many fouls is that? They shoot after so many.
Good hustle, boys. Keep it up. Screen and roll.
Go, D, go.
D, you gotta keep going all the way strong.
Get there. Get him in.
Jack, you got it right here.
Drop.
There you go.
Take it back.
Go.
Shoot it. Follow it in, Eli. You're all right. A missed shot is only bad if you don't follow it. Just follow it. You guys got this.
All day. Hey, man up. Get there. Eli, come on. Go get big. Go put your body into him and give him a...
You're mad, so you got this. You got it, Eli. Good job, Jack. Stay with it. No, get up. Go hard. I don't know. I'm struggling to take pictures and video.
There you go. Okay. Practice you holding that shit saying
Jack, Eli. How many fouls did they keep?
Hey, I was gonna say keep that eye.
Eli, get your guy.
That's gonna be you. That's gonna be you in a bit right there. Look. That's gonna be you in a bit. Look. That's gonna be you in a bit. Look. That's gonna be you. That's gonna be you. That's not you. Hit that backboard.
Straight up under the basket.
Oh. Okay, D.
Good job, Deontay.
Defense. Go.
That's all day.
Now you guys are in it. Let's go.
That's all day.
Stay in front. Don't overplay. Get around it. Good.
Good job.
Move your feet, D. Eli, show.
Good help. Good help.
No, no, take it back. Take it back. Red line. Ah.
Good job, Eli. Good job.
Had that. Don't rush it. Show. There you go. Watch, watch, watch.
Way to call it out, Judge. That's travel.
Get on that.
Good job, Eli.
I'll put some white ones in there too, just in case. Ooh, good pass.
Guys, we gotta get a body on shots. We're watching it. Get out, get in the corner. Move your feet, Eli. Move your feet. Don't ever flag.
Hands out.
Oh, we gotta take that back.
No, not if it don't hit the rim.
No, if they steal on everything.
No, not if it don't hit the rim.
Yeah, on steals. Unless it's different in the kids. Oh, that's nice.
You guys are fighting over it.
On ours, they gotta be different in the kids, man. Because ours, we gotta take it back on every possession. Yeah.
I thought it was only supposed to hit the rim.
Or he not looking. They got different rules for the kids.
The kids, yeah.
They ain't taking it back. Well, hey.
Good pass. Oh yeah, one more. Straight up. Let's go, D. Let's go.
Here. Yep.